It's oh my god, you got that for free. For your baby. Let's step away from Jesus a minute and talk about dicks like we usually do. Don't say that, there's new people in here. Don't say that stuff. The brain goes bloop, 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 bloop. Doctor, can I have some D from you, please? I just lay flat down and say, yes, stuff me with grease. I think. The hammer is out. Gonna smack it. Show me. In a month, you're gonna see me do like. I'm making fun of TikTok, huh? Sun, rain, sun, cold, windy, sun. I am confused, I don't know. Mama mad now. But Mama not talking to you, no, bro. Nah. I am not that flexible anymore. No. Miss Penicity. Massive penicity. Oh, and the boats with their foghorns. That's what they're saying, right? Fuck are you? Yes, you bet. Real TikTok shit, like. Oh. Wait, teddy. A new YouTube video. Have you checked it out? I think you should go check it out. It's quite good. It's dirty. No, it's not dirty.